Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add contacts on WhatsApp web. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, access your web browser, type in web.whatsapp.com, and that go ahead, link your WhatsApp with your web WhatsApp. Now you can see we will have chats right over here, and if you want to simply add in a contact, you have to go ahead, tap on this plus icon, tap on new contact, go ahead, add in the name, and then add in the last name. Now simply go ahead, choose the country of which you're adding the number from or number of. Go ahead, add in the number, and then once you're done, go ahead, you can go ahead, invite them. You can go ahead, invite them, and send an invite. Once that they have accepted, you're good to go. You will be able to add them and start chatting as well, or you can simply go ahead, add them from your phone, and when you log in, you will already have them added. Now that's it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.